Next we're going to start BOM customizing. So in the previous topics we have seen the basic front end setup and functionality in SAP, like how to create the BOM, how to create the route and work center and all that. And from now on, in the next few classes, we'll talk about the customizing of those master data. So today we're going to start bill of material customizing. So the topics that we're going to cover today, they are configuration activities surrounding the BOM header, configuration activities surrounding the BOM item. So first of all, we'll start with a business example. As a project lead for implementing bills of material, you must be aware of the structural design of the object in SAP ECC. In doing so, you will learn how the bill of material is structured to integrate with several business areas in your company. Your company has requirements to use bill of material for costing, engineering, and production. To support these integrated functions, you must be aware of what configuration options are available for your company. So as we have seen previously in the BOM chapter earlier, that a bill of material has basically two different components, and one you can call it header. So here you have the header. So under header you can have BOM usage, BOM status, what materials types you want to allow for the BOM. So this type of setup we'll see. And then we have BOM item level. Under that we have different types of customizing that we're going to see in today's class. So BOM header and item. So as I just said, we'll start with this customizing and we'll see different options available for the BOM header and also the different options available for the items as well. So let us start the practicals. So go to the customizing SPRO. So let me show you the BOM again. So if I go to CS02, which we have used earlier, so I'll pick a material here that we created earlier, and that's the BOM. So here you can see that's the BOM item. You can double click on the line here on number 10. It will take you to the BOM item details where we have maintained different details earlier. And if I click on this cap on the top, it will show me the header. It is a header of the BOM. So if you want to go to the customizing, go to SPRO. So go to /n SPRO SAP reference IMG, and here go to the menu path, production, basic data, and then bill of material. So we'll see all the options available for bill of material. So let us open the first one, control data for bill of material. So here you have the define modification parameter. Now before we started, let me explain again that I talked earlier that bill of material is a common functionality for PP module, SD module, PM module, and few other things as well. So we'll be basically concentrating on the PP side of it, especially for the customizing. So here under the define modification parameter, if I open that, let's see what are the options available here. Okay, so here I'm going to explain about all the important setups most commonly used in the PP side of bill of material. So here the first one is load date. What is load date? If I press F1 on the load date, it will tell you the detail of the load date. So what it is saying is that whenever you create the BOM, do you want the system to put the default valid from BOM date is 1900. That means it is valid from the past. If you check this box, it will be saying it will be by default all the bill of material that you create next time it will be starting from this date. Otherwise they will start from today's date. For example, if I open one more screen here, go to CS01, here it's showing you today's date by default. If you check that box and save in the customizing, the date it will show here is by default it will be this, like this. So that's the only difference. So if you want to, if the business want the bill of material to be valid from the past as well, so just use this option, otherwise leave it as blank. So most likely people will be using blank. This one, first of all, one request that please do not change any standard customizing. You are most welcome to create any Z object, that we'll see later on how to create the Z object or your own customizing, but these type of standard setting please do not change. Next we have the BOM validity maintenance. If I press F1 on this one, it will tell me that indicator determines that the validity period is maintained for BOM. This indicator must be set before engineering change management can be activated for BOM. What that means is you need to set this indicator if you want to use engineering change management. That means ECM that we have seen earlier, you can make use a ECM tool and make a bill of material to be valid in the future as well. So if you want to use that functionality, make sure this checkbox is ticked. Then you have EC management active. So engineering change management requires precise information on validity. For this is an indicator BOM validity maintained must be selected. This indicator determines that engineering change management is active in the BOM management. Again, if you want to activate the ECM for BOM, then you need to activate this one here. So these are the two settings basically you need to do. Then you have the history requirement. If I press F1 on history requirement for creating BOM, indicators specify that a bill of material is to be created with reference to a chain number. That means if you check this box, that means if every bill of material that you're going to create or change should always will be referenced to a ECM, engineering change number, then you need to check this box. So that means if you check this box, no one can create or change a BOM without a ECM here in chain number, engineering change management with a chain number that we have seen before. History requirement variant, if I open that, that's this one, just leave it for now. We'll talk about this one later on. This one, technical type, multiple BOM and variant BOM. So we have seen earlier that what is technical BOM and what is variant BOM. If you want to allow the multiple BOM in the customizing, then check this box. If you do not want to allow them, then uncheck this box. So let me go press F1 on this one as well. Indicator that SAP controls that no bill of material can be maintained. You should check this box if no, that if you do not want to allow multiple BOM. If you do not want to allow variant BOM, then check this box. If you want to allow, then make sure they are unchecked. I forgot about this one here. Sub-items documentation. What sub-item documentation is that? Like every BOM, whenever you make some changes in a BOM, system will keep a record of that. So if I go into this BOM, not this one, go to CS02, go to extra, environment. Under environment, go to the chain documents, click on document overview. Here it will tell you that what changes has been done on this BOM so far. So it will keep an history